Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 63, Applications of Trigonometry, Section A, Easy. Let's start. A straight tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The distance from the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 10 meters. Then the height of the tree is, see this. This is the tree, it has broken from here, made an angle of 30 degrees. Now you want the height. Height means what? Of the tree. It means this x plus h. Total of these will be the height of the tree. Therefore, tan 30 equals to x upon 10. Right? X upon 10. What is tan? Opposite upon adjacent, right? So x upon 10, but tan 30 we know 1 upon root 3. Therefore x equals to 10 upon root 3. Now this is x. Now we have to find h also. So cos 30 equals to what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. See this, cos 30 adjacent upon hypotenuse. So we get, what is cos 30 but root 3 by 2. So h equals to, bring cos 30 down and h on the left side. So h equals to 10 upon cos 30, that is 10 upon root 3 by 2. So take 2 above, 20 by root 3. So now you got h and now you got x. So x plus h equals to 10 by root 3 plus 20 by root 3. 30 by root 3. Solve it, rationalize it. So 3 into 10, root 3, 10, right? Root 3 gone. So 10 root 3. That is the height of the tree. Now in the exam, if it is given only this much, then take here. Else multiply root 3 by 1.732, because value of root 3 is 1.732. Always remember, value of root 3 1.732, value of root 2 1.41. So 10 into 1. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.